Abandoned sometime between 2005 and 2007, this small home sits forgotten in a complete time capsule. While I couldn't find any information on the last owners, from my brief visit here, it seems that this was an elderly couple's home. They were loved by their children and grandchildren very much. Drawings and notes from them can be seen proudly hung on the fridge and throughout the home. The house is packed full of items, leading me to believe someone who lived here may have been a hoarder. The couple likely passed away, and nobody has been able to keep up their home over the years. This house shows us a brief look into the lives of the people that once lived here, the things that they loved, and the people that they cared for. Join me as we see what's left behind. Alrighty guys, what is up? It is Noah here, and today we are exploring this very interesting time capsule home. Looks like it was abandoned sometime in 2005. There's lots of stuff thrown around in here, bills, family photos. There's ceilings that are falling down, so it's a very interesting place. We're going to try to be as respectful as possible. Like always, if this is your house and this video at all gives you any grief or anything like that, or you just don't like it, be sure to message me. I have no problem taking it down. We're here just to respectfully explore, and yeah, I just want to make that clear. With that being said, we're going to go explore. Like I said, try to be as respectful as possible, and let's go see what we can find. Alrighty guys, so we're starting in the living room. As you can see, like, it is an entire life left behind in here. Still there are decorations on the wall. Paintings that they probably loved. Newspaper from 1996, before I was even born. Now, I know a lot of you are going to probably say this isn't abandoned, but I can guarantee you it is. There is, dust and stuff like that around. It's just hard to show on camera, obviously. Look how old that family photo is. This guy. Probably the family that lived here. What's this little cassette player? Bunch of VHSs in here too. See right here, 2005 on the calendar. Seems like they liked clocks. Got the fake plants as well. See how dirty the TV is too. It's kind of cool. Looks like they were a little bit of a hoarder. You can see right up here that there's a lot of animal feces, stuff like that. Maybe this was like a little office. I'm not really sure. Can't really get in here, nor do I want to try to, force my way through this house. But, you can see that there's animal feces, and there's dirt and dust everywhere in here. Fortunately, though, we're not going to make it over there. Alright guys, so this is the room that I couldn't get to. See right there a bunch of the knickknacks. I can't really get to them though, but up into the kitchen here. You can just see the state that this is in. I'm not actually 100% sure where the front door is in this house. This is our laundry room. Literally everything left behind. How like dirty this is. Try my best not to judge the people that once lived here, because that's not what I'm trying to, give the impression that I'm trying to judge their lifestyle or how they were living. Can't really show you the countertop. There's too many bills down there. Oh God, the ketchup. Expired in 2009. It's pretty gross. I would not be surprised if that's full of food still. 2007 now in this one, so maybe it's even later. But yeah, guys, like, just the floor is just covered in stuff. Trying not to die walking through here. Hello.
Scratch it.
You can come walk around. You don't have to stay out there.
That's weird, man. Creepy.
Wow. Yeah, you can see the insulation's all falling down to the ground here. A big shout out to Brandon. He showed me this spot. So again,
YouTubers,
make sure to go give him a follow. All the links will be down in the description below. But yeah, this video is because of him, so definitely show him some love. Gonna make my way back through.
be careful.
Oh, that's nice. A little dead mouse right there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Alright guys, we're gonna head upstairs. Obviously I'm gonna miss stuff in this house. Like, it's crammed and packed full of stuff. We're gonna obviously miss some stuff. Okay, we'll head upstairs. Equally as packed. Carpeted bathroom, nice. Old does a mouthwash have to be for the bottle to go yellow? You can see the ceilings collapsing a little bit in here. It's gonna fall at some point. It's very interesting that this happens. Even some jewelry left behind here. Ooh, ooh. That's not on the wall very well, so we're going to leave that alone. Lots of books. Bedroom right here. Don't know if I can get in. Yep, just barely. Wow. Ceiling's falling down over there. This was the girl's bedroom probably, maybe the wife's. But look at all that jewelry left behind. Don't know if it's real or not. Some nightgowns. Wow. House is basically stuck in the 80s, I would say. Bunch of family photos. Wow. Looks like a kid's bedroom. There's your dust for everybody that doesn't believe it. Wow. It's just nuts to me that there's so many clothing articles left behind. Old Sears tag. Doesn't even exist anymore. Even had their own TV up here. toys. Could be in a storage room. There's a bed though, so. Oh my god, it's Zeddy. If you guys know who that is, it's the Zellers mascot. Alright guys, that's upstairs. Guess we'll head to the basement now.
It's crazy the things that people just rummage through and go through.
Well, they're looking for valuables, that's the thing.
Yeah. And with all that jewelry around.
That's the main thing that's missing.
Did you see that, didn't you? The movie to see with the horse?
I did not. It's pretty sweet. I didn't try to go in the room. I didn't want to.
And just to the left, there's a real old carriage.
That I saw. Basement. This is a handheld photo kind of place.
Mm-hmm.
It's too much going on.
Nice horse walking king.
Alright. Gonna attempt to go to the basement.
And have you noticed too, like all of the electronics are
Yeah, the old 80s electronics.
That's nuts.
He's definitely abandoned sometime in like that. Like stuck in the 80s.
Super 1000.
Everything was super. Oh god.
There's smaller stairs where we came in.
Oh, I'm already going down these, so. Why are they so steep?
And then the basement's low.
Oh god, it's packed.
Almost a hoarder type guy?
Oh, it's two different basements, I think. Oh no, it's not. It's. I'm not even gonna try to make it over there.
This I did.
It's got tube and wiring. That's dangerous.
I always hate seeing the panels.
Look at all the preserves down here. And
Cheese whiz, Parmesan Italian.
yeah, it's super low.
That's some 80s caps. I used to play with those as a kid.
Same. Then they banned them.
I know. We were in the field one time, me and my buddy. We were like 8 shooting those things, and somebody called the cops on us.
How do you use a drill press down here? There's barely any room.
They must have been midgets.
Wow. It's really too hard to look around, but it's incredible the amount of stuff left behind. Going back up this way, I guess. Wait, where does that go?
Yeah, that's right by where we came in.
Oh, and I'm not pushing my way through back through there. I'd rather walk this way. I'd say they definitely were a hoarder, though. Like, that's nuts.
That's cool.
Alrighty, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this incredible and very sad look at this abandoned time capsule home. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. Let me know what do you think happened here. Be sure to go check out Brandon's channel. Link will be down in the description. Wouldn't be here without him. And big thank you to all my recent Ko-fi and YouTube supporters. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And with that, I'm out. See you in the next one.